Hello everyone, welcome to question 29 of the STARR review. It says the density of oxygen is 0.001429 grams per cubic centimeter. So this is a very tiny number. How is this number written in scientific notation? So we are going to use scientific notation. So let me write it down here. 0.001429. To use scientific notation, we'll start from the decimal. Because this is a tiny number, this is a very tiny number, and the decimal is going to move to the right. So we are going to start from here. When move it to the right for one place, we pass a 0, and we will continue. We pass a second 0, then we continue. And then we pass a 1, and we will stop. Because when you move the decimal to the right, you will stop at the first non-zero number. So you pass 2 zeros, those are the zeros, you will continue. And then you pass this 1, and this 1 is not 0. You will stop after you pass 1. Then we have 1.429. And then we'll multiply 10 to a certain power. Because we moved by 3 places, the decimal moved by 3 places to the right. So it should be 10 to the power of negative 3. Remember, it is negative because the decimal is moved to the right. Now some students, they might think, hey, I moved 3 places, so it's going to be 1.429 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 because I moved 3 places. Well, that's not true. And this scientific notation, it actually represents 1,429. It's a large number. Why? The reason is you can think of this number as 1429.00. You can think of this, you can think the decimal is here. Because this is a large number, so we are going to move the decimal to the left. And we move the decimal by 1 place, 2 places, 3 places to between 1 and 4. And we have 1.429 after the moving. And we moved to the left. So it's going to be multiplied by 10 to the power of positive 3. So when you rewrite a number into scientific notation, you move the decimal to the right, it's going to be a negative power of 10. You move the decimal to the left, it's going to be a positive power of 10. So you have to distinguish between the directions you move the decimal and the positive or negative power of 10. And for this question, the correct answer is 1.429 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 3, and it is C. So this concludes our solution. Please review to make sure that you fully understand this, and please subscribe so that you will receive more answers and tips and solutions to help you ace the test. Peace.